Vlog. So I've just gotten up and made a little protein smoothie to take with me in the car because I'm about to go and do my Reformer Pilates class, which I've been doing every Saturday morning. It's about 15 minutes away, so I'm going to get in the car in a minute and drive there. So I've just done that, just did some banana, frozen berries, some oat milk, then a little bit of water so it's not like fully oat milk, and then some of the new Free Soul Sculpt protein powder because I really want to try this one out. I can already tell like it's less powdery, which is good, and even when you like scoop it out the bag you can tell it's like a thinner texture, which is good. Yeah, so I'm going to drink that on the way. And I also just did some water. Again, I use the Free Soul electrolytes. This video is not sponsored by Free Soul, but if they want to sponsor me, let me know, because literally I use their products every single day and I've noticed such a difference with having one bottle of like electrolyte water instead of normal water. I feel a lot more hydrated, so obviously when I'm going to do a workout or something I'll make sure that that's the one I take to my workout, but then otherwise I just have it of an evening just to try and like hydrate myself. We're going to get in the car and drive to Pilates and go and do a Pilates class. I'm really enjoying Pilates at the moment. I mean, it's so difficult but so good, so I'm going to go and do that. And then we're going to a food hall today, a new one near me in Digbeth, and we're going to go and try out their food because we've been asked to go as like an invite thing. If you don't know, I do like reviews and stuff on my TikTok, so my TikTok is always linked down below if you ever want to go and show that a little bit of love. I have a book TikTok and I also have like a normal one where it's a bit more personal content or branded content. So let's just go and get on with our day. I also want to get some reading in this weekend, but I just thought we'd have a little weekend together. Home and I've got quickly changed and obviously got ready for the day. Like I said, we're heading out to a new food hall near me, which I'm going to go and try out today and do a video on. I think actually I'm going to do like a video series of all the different brands that are in there, because that obviously gives me a lot of different content to do, and then like of the food hall itself, if that makes sense. But I have actually just opened an exciting parcel. So I had a book come this week from Hatchet UK, which is a publisher, and this book is called Seasons of Glass and Iron, and it's short stories and it's told in different formats. So there's like normal writing, and then on like another page there's like almost like a poem style, so really interesting. I'm excited to read this one. So that came this week. Just made an iced coffee, which is up there because I get such a migraine when I go to Pilates because of not having my coffee before I go. So I've just made a coffee. My head is like getting a little bit better. I might need to take some tablets, but yeah, I've just got ready for the day. Literally this whole outfit, by the way, is from TikTok shop. So I got this top from there. It's such a nice soft material. Like sometimes that worries me about TikTok shop, that it's not the nicest material, but it's really nice, really soft. Try and better show the outfit now if I turn it this way. So I have this like cute little top on that's like a short sleeve cardigan style, and then these jeans are the Halara jeans that are stretchy. This is a fake button and they actually like sit properly on my waist, because normally I have like a giant gap at the back, but this is the outfit. I really wanted to wear some sandals, but how the jeans sit, they were looking like too short with sandals, so I've had to go with trainers, but this is the outfit. I have just boiled some eggs, so I'm about to eat 2 eggs, because if I don't eat properly then I get migraines and obviously my head's already hurting, so I'm going to have that before we go. We're now at the food hall and we've just got some food. So I've just got this acai bowl from Frost and Froth, which is the company that invited us to come in, but it's in a bigger food hall, so we've tried a few different things. They also have matcha, so I've got a banana bread matcha, which I'm yet to try, from Fat Belly. But I thought we could do a taste test of this together. I did a build your own one, but they do have pre-built ones as well. That's really nice. I went for pistachio and peanut butter on the top. Good choice. Then I'm going to try my matcha. I've just got a mouthful of foam. Whatever's on the top is really nice. Nice. Quite strong matcha. We also got some sides from a noodle place. So they do vegetable gyoza, so just got that. And I think this is probably like a sweet chili dip. And then also some spring rolls. Look at the size of these spring rolls. Huge. So we're going to eat those as well, and then maybe get a dessert to take home from another place.